everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC or Windows 11. So first, click on the three dots on the right corner of your screen, then scroll down and select Settings. In Settings on the left side of the screen, select Privacy and Security, then scroll down to Site Settings. Then once again scroll down all the way to pop-ups and redirects. And it should automatically be, the second option should automatically be selected. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. But if it's not, select this. And you can select sites you'd like to make an exception for. If you want particular sites to send pop-ups and redirects, you can add it right here. And if you want some particular sites not to allow the pop-ups and redirects, you can also add it here. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helps you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.